Today guys, in this video review we consider Bitagro project, not its purpose and dignity. This video will be in English format, so guys, especially for you, we will add Russian subtitles for convenience, please and viewing. I think you have repeatedly convinced that food sector is one of the most sought after in the world, and this is not surprising. Humanity needs to provide itself with food, therefore up to 25% of total gross domestic product will cost just this sector, and in order to maintain stable production, simple farmers and a huge number of agro-industrial complexes are functioning non-stop day to day. However, not all farmers have time to adapt rapidly developing market. Someone does have time physically and someone functionally and technically. This means that many agro-industrial enterprises don't have enough advanced resources which they would simplify a number of problems associated primarily with high commission cost when interacting with their customers. It's no secret that a particular agro-industrial product passes a whole stage of transaction before you get to this stage, spend a certain financial part as a result of which final price of good is formed. Just in fact, if I could pass a whole chain of intermediary actions, we would farmers is very much even good safe. Having considered current problem in more detail, team of experts came to conclusion that it's time to finally change outdated tools of interaction to new, more high-tech and convenient, and this is Bitagro. Bitagro intends to bring new streams of opportunities to work to update agro-technical and food relations using such modern technology as blockchain in his favor. Platform itself is aimed at creating a comfortable B2B environment for participants of agro-industrial. Guarantor of all transactions within Bitagro will be internal token with which it will be possible not only to buy any goods but also services of agro-industrial sector. Moreover, platform allows farmers to save a lot of extra money due to fact that platform will exclude intermediaries and other third parties that used to be linked between farmers and consumers. The whole principle of operation of agro exchange was developed specifically for users, so web interface is intuitive as well as simple registration with accelerated passage of cost system. The whole structure of agro exchange is built in such a way as to offer users maximum benefit, providing them with an incredible number of working and highly efficient tools. Agro exchange is a new place where everyone has opportunity to interact with each other on a safe and transparent level. It is also very important to know that agro exchange doesn't depend on any geographic position, so farmers from Portugal can easily find their clients from Europe or Russia. In same way, this scheme works as a figural order when consumer want to find necessary agro-technical goods outside his state. So what are the benefits? First, project will have two working versions of web and mobile. Serving in mobile application is AgroDex. Secondly, use of internal tokens so widespread that they can be used not only to purchase products or services you like, but also to buy membership within platform. This service is able to provide privileges and also other pleasant moments. With the help of blockchain technology and internal agro exchange token, many farmers will be able to tokenize their business, which will be naturally have a positive impact on overall development of agriculture sector. Security within a platform is designed to provide a system of smart contracts with which all transactions will be recorded. Finally, according to researchers, our world today will be actively changing in next 10 years while adapting all outdated structures to modern ways. That is to connect them to a decentralized network and introduce cryptocurrencies into them. This process is inevitable, especially as it brings new qualitative relationships between markets and its segments, as well as increased level of trust, reliability and safety of all processes. If you have any question about the project, ask them in the comments under the video, or you can ask a question in the official Bitagro group in Telegram, where they will tell you more about the project. I will not leave you without attention. All links in the description under the video, and I say goodbye to you, thank you for attention, see you next time.